This is Dr. Lobo, and I'm talking to you today about a very serious issue: your survival in the face of a weaponized avian flu organism and a dangerous vaccine. Now, I want to start by reminding you that vaccines cannot be created unless the organism that they're supposed to protect against already exists. That's a fundamental law of virology. Sanofi Pasteur is making hundreds of millions of vaccine doses in China against the avian flu. Now, the avian flu supposedly doesn't exist in pandemic form yet. However, the vaccine that Sanofi Pasteur is making, at the request of the National Institutes of Health and the Center for Disease Control and the FDA, that vaccine is allegedly against the pandemic avian flu. That pandemic avian flu was created through a weaponization process that I discuss in the blast that you can read if you look below this link to the video. It's a very important blast. Sounds pretty grim, but in fact, even though it's grim, there's good news, and the good news is that there's hope. The Natural Solutions Foundation, the largest health freedom organization in the world, is always about solutions. So I'd like to offer you 5 steps to protect yourself against the weaponized avian flu and the dangerous weaponized avian flu vaccine. Remember, the avian flu vaccine can be ordered into your body. You can be forced to take the avian flu vaccine because of state legislation and because of federal legislation, unless you prepare now and take steps to protect yourself and the people you love. What steps? Step number 1, eat organic foods. Viruses, bacteria, mycoplasma, other pathogens only attack weakened immune systems. Immune systems are weakened by pesticides, chemicals, toxic dyes, colors, and most of all, genetically modified foods. All of those things are absent in certified organic food. Yes, it's more expensive. Cancer is even more expensive than that. Eating organic food, every time you eat something, is essential to protecting your immune system. So is taking a good multivitamin, multimineral, and other supplements. You simply can't get the nutrients you need without that supplementation and organic food. Step 2, be aware, be informed, harvest information, and share it. The best information on this topic and other health freedom related topics is the Natural Solutions Health Freedom e-alerts. They're free, they're helpful, and they're informative. They also give you steps that you can take to make a difference beyond your own situation. Sign up for the Health Freedom e-alerts and ask everyone you know to do the same. Remember, this is a potential emergency, and you need the information. That means you need to be on the Health Freedom e-alerts list, and you need to open every email and at least scan it to find out what's happening with the avian flu. Could save your life. Step 3, develop an exit strategy. If you don't have a passport, get one now. Make plans for how you're going to use it if pandemic starts to be rumbled in the press. Pandemic, pandemic, pandemic means get out of the United States until the madness passes. Take your kids, take the people you love, and get out. Because compulsory vaccination in a pandemic situation can be invoked at the drop of a single instance of a disease or a make-believe instance of a pandemic disease. The United States federal government has given itself that power, and the states have given themselves that power. Unless you want to be interned in a detention center because you refuse the dangerous vaccine, and it's very dangerous, then make plans and have an exit strategy for yourself and those you care about. The next step is not to weaken your immune system with antibiotics. Yes, weaken your immune system with antibiotics, which don't work against viruses anyway, and use natural solutions for threatening illnesses. Use silver, use echinacea, use vitamin C, which coupled with organic, clean food will help your immune system stay in tip-top shape. Detox. Take care of that immune system. You're going to need it. And step 5 is to make sure that you have an active, informed, and informing source of information. That means supporting the Natural Solutions Foundation. We're here for you. We're here to give you the information that you need to be prepared and perhaps to save your life. We need your donations. We depend entirely on your donations, and in fact, we can't operate unless we have them. So we're asking you to make a recurring donation. That means go to our website, www.healthfreedomusa.org. healthfreedomusa.org. You click on donations. When you donate on a recurring basis, we'll add you to the Health Freedom Heroes Forum, an insider circle where you can share your ideas and thoughts, help develop strategy with us, and get the latest news. We need your donations. We need your participation. And when your donations are recurring ones, it really helps us. Thank you.